Hello students, today we'll see median of the triangle. For this, take your textbook and see on page number 20. So on the page number 20, one triangle is given, triangle HFC. And if you observe, point D is shown midpoint of side HC. How we can identify that D is a midpoint? So for that, you can observe the identical marks here. So we can say with this identical marks, we can say that D point is a midpoint of segment or side HC. And what you can observe in this figure, that the segment, this FD is a segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side, and this is called the median of the triangle. So let's see the definition of median. The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. So in triangle HFC, seg FD is a median on the base CH. Now let's see the next activity given in the textbook. So see page number 21. On page number 21, it is given, some points are given. Accordingly, we will draw the medians of triangle. First they said draw triangle ABC. Then we have to find the midpoint P of side AB and we'll draw segment CP. So accordingly, these points will draw the median. So here see, I'll draw one triangle with any measure because they did not mention any measurement. So I'll draw one triangle. Any triangle you have to draw. So I'll draw one. Now I'll give the name of the triangle, triangle A, B and C. After that they said find the midpoint P of side AB. So this is our side AB. So we need for this a compass. So I'll take the compass. See that? Now in this you have to take more than half distance of AB. So students, pay attention. See, if you take this distance, this is approximately half distance of AB. And what I said, you have to take more than half distance. So I'll increase some distance. Okay, more than half distance. So this distance I have taken. Now I'll draw the perpendicular bisector so that we'll get the median of point P is the midpoint of AB. So now I'll draw here. See, exactly on point B you have to take and make one arc from B. See that the first one should be little bit more arc. Then from here also I'll draw. Here I'll get one point of intersection. Same way I'll do to the other side. So this is one arc from A. Similarly, I'll take again from B. So these two are the midpoint. These two are the point of intersections, and these points of intersections now I'll join with the pencil. See students, your pencil to be very sharp. So now see, first you give the point so that your joining will not be wrong. So this is the point I got, and here I got the point of intersection. So now I'll join this. Very sharply we have to join this. If you take 1 millimeter here and there, then it will be wrong. Now this is point P. P is a midpoint of AB. So see, you have to give the identical marks. That means what? This BP is equal to AP. That is, P is a midpoint of AB. And what they said, draw segment CP. So we'll draw segment CP. So see, now here you have to give the arrows. Now the next point, they said find the midpoint Q of side BC. So we'll see side BC. So again, same procedure. That is, I am taking B as a C as a center and more than half distance. See students, this is approximately half distance. Now I'll increase some distance so that we'll get more than half distance. So now C is a center and now I'll draw the arcs. First one, little bit big I'll draw, and now from point B I'll intersect the previous arcs. Now see, if you observe, this is a point of intersection and here is a point of intersection. Now join these two point of intersections. Exactly, sharply you have to draw. Make the arrows. And now see, this they said give the point Q. So here I'll write point Q, identical marks. So here I'll use identical marks. This is perpendicular bisector. So this is perpendicular sign and the bisector with this. Same way we have to draw here also perpendicular sign and this is bisector. Now they said to draw AQ. So now this is Q point and this is A point vertex. So I'll join this vertex A to Q exactly. First you confirm and then only join it so that your figure will be sharp. So see, this way you have to join your AQ. Now fourth point is find the midpoint R of side AC, draw segment BR. So same procedure we have to do. See what we have to do. We have to take more than half distance of AC. So this is my more than half distance. So I'll take the arcs to both the side. So this is first arc. As I said, take a long arc. So the long arc from C, and now the second arc I'll take from A. So see students, take exactly A point and now cut it. Now this should be smaller one. So I got the 2 points here. So here is a point of intersection. Here is a point of intersection and here is another point of intersection. So join it exactly. Make the arrows to both the side. Now this is a perpendicular bisector, so I'll give the symbol perpendicular, and now bisector, so I'll use this sign, identical marks, to show the perpendicular bisector. Now this is what point? This is a R point. They said to give R point, so we'll give R point. And now what they said, draw segment BR. So exactly we have to draw BR. So this is a B point, this is a R point. So confirm it first and then only sharply we have to draw it. So this is B point, this is R point. So after confirmation only you have to join it properly. So see students, if you draw this sharply, you will get three medians, A, Q, C, P and B, R. So these are the three medians, and if you observe, the three medians are passing through exactly from the one point. So see, your perpendicular bisectors, if all the three perpendicular bisectors are perfectly drawn, then only you will get a point of concurrence. So this is my point of concurrence. I'll give the name to that point of concurrence, capital G. Now see here what they said further, that seg PC, that is this segment PC, seg QA and seg BR are medians of triangle ABC. Then they said, note that the medians are concurrent. So here also I got the medians concurrent. That means they are passing through exactly at one point. Then their point of concurrence is called the centroid. What they call? So point of concurrence, that is G, is the centroid. So remember, and it is denoted by G. So this is the first activity. See students, this construction you have to do thrice, that is 3 times in your notebook, and send the photos on the group.